Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Grok 3 in mobile. In order to do so, here we are in the App Store for iOS, but the same concept applies for Android as well. We're going to start by searching for Grok. And there you can see here we have Grok, and we also have X. You can access Grok through X, but if you want the standalone app, then you can download that. We've already got that installed, so we're going to go ahead and open that up. And here you go. We have a variety of options here to take a look at. We have voice mode. If you want to talk directly with Grok, then you can use that. If you want to go directly to create images, you can do that as well. If you want to edit an image, you can upload your own images and you can ask Grok to help you with the editing on that, and you can get some really interesting results from that as well. You can analyze documents. If you have a specific document that you want Grok to take a look at, then you can upload that document and Grok can update it for you, can give you feedback on it, can do all sorts of stuff. So you can use that there as well. We also have the customize Grok option. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at that. And you can see here that we can change the presets of how Grok responds to us. So we can use a formal tone, a Socratic tone, a concise tone, and we can also customize how Grok responds as well. I have that set to formal because that's my preference. And so whenever you're done, you can go ahead and just hit save there at the top. Up at the top here, you're going to see the option that says chat and voice. Right now we're on chat. We're going to go ahead and click voice. And there you go. We are now in voice mode, and Grok is going to respond to us based on whatever it is that we happen to be saying. So we also have here at the bottom, let's go ahead and just see if Grok is listening.
Yep, I'm right here, ready to chat in voice mode. What's on your mind? Let's see what you're cooking up today.
So there you go. You can see for yourself how easy it is to use voice mode. I'm just going to go ahead and switch back so that way Grok doesn't keep on talking with us. But it is a super simple way of communicating with Grok. If you don't feel like chatting everything out, typing everything out, then using the voice mode is very straightforward. And as you can hear from yourself, I mean, it responds in a very realistic way. So that's something that they've added here recently, and it's really quite amazing. On the left-hand side here, you're going to see these two lines. If we click on that, then that's going to give us our chat history. So you can see here we have all these different chats that we've done with Grok. And so if we want to close that, we can click those little arrows there. If we want to start a new chat, up at the top right-hand corner, you can see the notepad there with the pen. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And there you go. We're back to the basic page here, the starting page, where we can either go into voice mode or we can select any of these options. If you just want to get started with Grok, all you have to do is just start typing in where it says ask anything, and you can attach files. You can see the paperclip there. You can attach files. You can use deep search and the think mode. So Grok will either search for something more in depth, or if you have a more in-depth question asked, then you can use the think mode so that Grok will think about your question and give you a more accurate answer. So that gives you an idea of everything that Grok is capable of and how you can use it for yourself. It really is a fantastic app. There's so many great options here to play around with. I love using the create images option. That's one of the things that's really great. Even with the free version, you can download create quite a few images, and the quality of them is really quite nice. So and you can also edit images, and it's really quite intuitive. What I like to do is I like to take my characters and change the backgrounds on them, and so all you have to do is just upload your character and just say, hey Grok, can you change the background on this, and put them in a snowy mountain area, or put them in the desert, or whatever. And some of the results might not be the best, but for the most part you do get some really cool stuff. So check out the Grok app. It comes highly recommended, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in a new online bank, check out Simply Financial. In the link tree, you'll find a referral link. If you click on that and start an account, you'll get $50 to start. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to start. It is a great deal. It is a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended.